Hi everyone, welcome back to MamaNature's Kitchen. Today we're going to make pina colada chicken. This is a brand new recipe in the Instant Pot and we'll be making it together. MamaNature here. So I have my 2 pounds of chicken breasts in the pot. I'm going to add 1 cup of pineapple chunks. There we go. Okay, 1 cup full fat organic coconut cream right in the pot. And I've got my salt and cinnamon all ready to go. This is 1/8 of a teaspoon of sea salt, which really is just a pinch, depending on what your measuring spoons say. And I've got 1 teaspoon of organic cinnamon, ground cinnamon. I'm just gonna sprinkle that on top of everything. And last but not least, we're gonna go ahead and add 1/2 cup of organic chicken stock. You can make the stock yourself, which is pretty easy to do, or you just go ahead and get it from the box. There's a future video, making your own chicken stock. So now everything's in the pot. We're gonna go ahead and put our lid. Make sure that the button is up so that it can seal. And we're gonna press poultry. And we're gonna cook for 15 minutes. Oh, it's already set for 15 minutes. That's perfect. And then we'll let it go. See you in 15 minutes. All done. Here's the fun part, letting off the steam. Woo! There you go, kids. Looks pretty good. Gonna do a side of corn. So get all of our sweets together. There you go. And my husband is very handy with the drinks, and he made us a nice pina colada, frozen pina colada, to go along with. Bon appetit. All right, kids, proof is in the pudding. Let's see how it tastes. It's good. And I tend to like savory foods. This is sweet, but it's really nice. It's a good change. And of course, it's dynamite with this. Look, I've got some frost on my straw. Oh yeah, baby. MamaNature approved. So if you enjoyed this video, please click like and subscribe to my channel. Then you won't miss anything new that we do. And remember, you can make and keep yourself well. Until next time, thanks for watching. Mama loves you. Bye-bye now.